Welcome to the Top Engineering Approach channel by Dr. G.R. From this class onwards, we see about the different solids projection in detail with more number of examples. In this class, first a simple problem on cube is taken for example. Let me read the problem first. A cube of side 40 millimeter rests on the ground on one of its faces with the vertical faces equally inclined to VP, that is vertical plane. Draw the projections of the solid. This is the type of the problem under axis perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Okay, now what is a cube should be known first. That is a hexahedron or cube, both are same, because a cube is a regular polyhedra and this cube is having 6 equal square faces including 2 bases cum faces as shown here. For easy understanding of problem, first see whether top view or front view which is to be drawn as beginning view. As we have seen in the projections of planes video classes, for this problem it is clear that cube is resting on ground with one of its face means it is resting on HP. Hence axis is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. So plan or top view is to be drawn first and then front view or elevation is to be drawn through projection. Then only the square with true dimensions can be obtained on HP resting and also axis perpendicular to HP. For this, first draw the XY reference line as usual. Draw a 45-degree thin slope line below XY line either on left side or right side as given in problem if any. Since it is not given, here any side may be drawn. Now mark a point on inclined line, that is S, at any approximate distance from XY line, since distance is not given. Now fix a 40 millimeter length of the square on the inclined line from that S point, that is point P. Then complete the square as shown here by drawing perpendicular lines at P and S, then joining Q and R. So all the sides are having equally 40 millimeter each. Mark the 4 corner points, that is P, Q, R and S. Since it is a cube, also 4 more individual corners, that is within bracket 1, 2, 3, 4 should also be marked, which usually coincides here in top view. Since invisible corners, these are shown within brackets. Imagine the cube in this position and understand the drawing with reason why 4 plus 4 totally 8 points are marked when viewed from top. Now project all these points to draw the front view. That is, all points are to be projected crossing XY line to get the front view points. That is, looking by elevation or front, the final front view drawing would be a rectangular shape as shown here, because the cube is at inclined position to XY line at 45 degree as given in the problem. Since resting on HP, the bottom face points of the cube should come on the XY line as shown here on the XY itself, that is the corners 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. This P dash is the invisible corner, so it has been shown within the brackets. Height should be marked to 40 millimeter as the cube size is given as 40 millimeter. Now complete the rectangular shape as shown here. Top side corners, that is P dash, Q dash, R dash and invisible corner S dash. When viewing from front, the center corner edge is visible clearly perpendicular to HP, and so another thick line is to be drawn within the rectangle as shown here by projecting from S. Now the points are all should be marked, that is totally 8 points based on corners in front view. Imagine based on front view and then mark visible and invisible corners as shown here, while the invisible corners are to be marked within the brackets to identify. Now ensure for thick lines and thin lines etc. properly drawn, and also mention dimensions etc. as shown here. All views are now completed. Then step by step procedure under this heading projections of solids have been given for this problem as shown here. Each step is straight away may be used after listening to the video. All views are now completed and we will see in the next video class. This is by Dr. G.R. Thank you.